Let's switch gears and take a live look outside from the Missionary Ridge camera and head back to meteorologist Brittany Beggs for a check of our afternoon forecast and looking ahead to the weekend. Brittany.
Latrice, today there is going to be a big improvement. It's kind of gloomy and gray right now. Those colors are popping though. Those fall colors are popping. But this afternoon, the sun is going to come out. It is going to do its thing. You still need a jacket. Grab the sunglasses and, sweaters and a scarf. It's also a good idea too. It is November after all. Not much wind to tell you about today, so that's going to do us some favors. As far as our rapid refresh model goes, a lot of cloud cover out there now. The rapid refresh is doing an okay job on initializing today, just okay, but you get the idea. We stay rain free the rest of the day today. We're dry tonight. In fact, we're going to be dry for most of the next 7 to 8 days or so. There's a little bit of rain possible as we head into Sunday rather. There's going to be a cold front moving in, but right now it doesn't look to be a lot. So overall things are going to be quiet. Tomorrow, with more clearing, we will have to keep an eye on some patchy fog again tomorrow morning and probably Saturday morning too. So because things are going to be clearing out in our western half a little bit earlier, Altamont, even though you're cool right now, you're in the 50s, I do think you're going to come close to 70 today. Same goes for Chattanooga. Now, if there's still some clouds hanging around at sunset, which I think is going to be the case, maybe for Polk County, Fannin County, and over Cherokee and eastern Monroe, I put you highs today near 66 Murphy, 67 Blue Ridge. So you guys aren't going to budge too much today because the cloud cover is going to stick with you further east you are. Then we do clear out tonight for everyone, and then we're going to get colder. We're going to drop to 50. And remember, dew points are dropping out there today too. Dew points have already dropped to the 30s out of Nashville. So what does that mean? It just means we've got a lot of dry air that works its way in tonight. So 50 for Chattanooga, 45 Altamont tonight, and we'll put you guys and Murphy and Blue Ridge staying in the upper 40s just because those clouds are going to hang on a little bit longer for you all. But overnight, it's going to clear out. Here's the weekend forecast, and this is what I'm thinking. I'm still going with a small rain chance on Sunday. The forecast models are showing a trace to 2/10, the highest rainfall amounts over Van Buren, Grundy, West Franklin County. That's going to be about it. That's not a big deal. Most of us are just going to get a trace amount. Temperatures in the upper 60s Saturday. Saturday is going to be our nicer day. It's also going to turn cooler by Sunday night. This is a pretty decent cold front, and we are seeing lows drop in next week. So normal lows around 41 to 40 degrees. Take a look at this. We're really going to feel the effects of this. This is Monday morning, 40, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week, 30s. So the growing season has ended for some of us. It's not done for all of us, but by next week we should get a few more frost advisories, maybe a few freeze warnings. Let's real quickly talk about Ada. Ada is still a tropical storm. It's working its way east of Nashville now, or Jacksonville now, excuse me, but we've got tropical storm warnings in effect that extend from Jacksonville up the coast of Savannah and Charleston. So here's the new track from the Hurricane Center. Max sustained winds are 45 miles per hour. It's going to hug the coast here. This is through tonight. Off the coast of Charleston at 7 o'clock, still is a tropical storm, and off the coast of North Carolina here tomorrow morning. So this is why there are tropical storm warnings in effect for still a good chunk of the East Coast. I don't usually show this, but I want to show you this today. This is the past track from Ada. I mean, hardly any forecast model could have projected this. This shows the path of this, and this is so odd. I mean, it went due north yesterday and trucked right towards Florida. Well, really it was on Tuesday. So this is such an odd pattern that we don't typically see, but 2020, nothing really surprises me anymore now. So here's the new 7-day forecast to get to. Notice our only rain chance for the next 7 days is Sunday. I'll show you Vipercast for that period and the latest drought monitor in the next half hour. Latrice, back to you.